Hello and welcome. I don't know what I said for my first intro, so I'm just gonna, yeah. I don't know if I should make an intro or not. I'm just gonna go, hello, welcome back to Faceless. Uh, we are playing Cluster Trucks. Uh, sorry I didn't finish last episode, but we're back, and yeah, I was a bit busy then. But I shouldn't be today, so let's go. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Right, I remember this now. Hell. This is hell. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh no. No, come on. This is gonna be hell, this. No. Come on. This is like so hard. Oh, oh, oh. I think I sort of know what I'm doing. No, I just need to. Only if they stay in a straight line. Why don't they like staying in a straight line? Oh, oh, oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's so close. No. Oh, it's so close. Oh, I think it's a race against the clock again because that pillars. Oh, I should have just stayed there. Wait, can I just? Wait, could I just? Yeah, let's go. Come on, please, please. Don't know if I should jump out at all. Oh, it's still a race against the clock though, isn't it? So I'll get far. I'll get some distance. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'll get some distance. I guess, yeah, I'll move, I'll move. I bonked my head. Oh no, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. Yes. What was going on? There was nothing I could do then. Because those trucks moving, and I could have jumped there. But they were too far to jump, so. Come on, I don't care about any points. I just want to get this over and done with because I hate this level. No, there's nothing I could do. Come on. They all just split up. Oh, 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 oh. God, come on. No, no, come on. Come on. I don't know what episode I said it. I must have said it episode 2. But after we've done Cluster Truck, I will try and lasso Halo. Halo MCC. If you don't know what lassoing means, like, I think it, yeah, all skulls and legendary. So yeah, that's gonna take me a while because I don't yeah I used to love playing Halo, and then yeah yeah I used to love playing the campaign, love playing multiplayer, and yeah. I never done legendary. I think I tried legendary for a bit, and I was like, whoa, that's way too hard. So I ain't doing that. But yeah, one of my friends said I should lasso Halo. So I was like, yeah, why not? Why shouldn't I? Come on, come on. Oh! Yes! No! 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 I got. I don't even know what level this is, by the way. I literally just. I had a save point, and then yeah, I'm not. Yeah. So yeah, because the last time I played Xbox really, uh, was me doing this video because yeah, because I do have a social life. Yes, I do. I'm not just a lonely little. I wouldn't call myself a YouTuber because nobody hardly, not many people know me on YouTube. Yeah. Oh, of course, of course. Oh, it most probably will get harder, but I really hope it doesn't. No! Right, I know what to do. I know what to do. This is easy. Well, it's not easy to me. By the looks of things, you're like, oh, easy. It doesn't look like you're going, this is easy for you. It's like, no, it doesn't. I know what to do now. I know what to do. And the annoying thing is, there's no pattern to it. Cause I used to love playing games when I was younger, and used to always be patterns to it. No, come on. Wait, can I not touch the wall either? Oh, you absolute piece of crap. Honestly. Alright, over. Single. Triple. In between. Single, single. Dribble. Over. 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 Come on. It keeps on. Well, I need to get some distance. Yeah, didn't think that's gonna work. Oh no. Oh, yes. No! No! Hmm. Oh, oh, yes! No, no! Yes! No! 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 I was right there! No! Honestly. Oh no! I was so close. Oh. No, 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 no. was like on the edge of the trucks. Come on, yes, come on, yes, finally, finally. I ain't replaying it, no. Next level. Oh, okay, go on, last level of snow. Oh, right, okay, I'm gonna take my time on this. Right. How do you do this then? There's pillars? Oh, don't be an arsehole. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Come on. I'm making this look hard. I'm making this look harder than it actually is. Trust me. I'm looking at this map and I'm like, wow, I should be making this easily. Oh, come on. Come on, no. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on, yes. I clipped my ear on that. Oh, I must like, yeah. If this character has any ears. Wait. Oh, you. Oh, stay still, you blooming trucks. You are blooming. Oh, why did I jump? Oh, I went over the hood. No, I was so close. I was doing so well then. Wait, what? I must have pressed A by accident then. Let's go! Oh, yes. Complete the winter world. Well then, finally hit a whoa laser. Now that is gotta be crazy. I think I remember seeing that in an old laser beam video or anything. Oh, I think this is like this gotta be immense. Right. It was only a short video today. So carry on with episode 3, part 3. So yeah, I will catch you all later and bye.